Lionfoot TV. This boy I say my bad man now we don't know how trick him. No how trick him now the cops them catch him. Cops them catch him now the boy more dripping. Never know said the damn boy was a chicken me yet. Chicken. Yeah man, Brimstone aka Cannabis this represented for Lionfoot TV.
From now on, me I keep myself to myself, me no want no friend. Me mother did want me about them. Me mother did want me.
Welcome to Lionfoot TV at the right place and let's start doggone away.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Blessed love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, line and line, speak up on yourself. Welcome to Lionfoot TV, another man of peace. And me always just say to the violence of the streets, and no my motto that saying living love and unity and strength. You see me I say? Yeah man, big up everybody we are checking right now, wherever in the world you are, and I watch this right now, big up on yourself. May God guide and protect you all, and you all live to see the new year forward. Yeah, your loved ones. New year, new resolution, you know what I mean? Yeah man, just take care of yourself, see? Don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe and click the bell. If you decide in doing so, thank you, you see me? Yes, so in this episode I'm going to follow up and promote the promoter who was taken out unalive in Jamaica. World Great. So me I say, I think of Sean Thompson, something like same name, yeah, World Great. Well-known popular promoter in Canada, Toronto. I think he's from Jamaica as well, but reside in Canada. We saw the footage, well I saw the footage yesterday, the video footage, it was caught on camera like it happened at a gated community. Why am I telling my viewers and subscribers? It's sad, shocking and shameful. Why will country have a result to that, you know, this crime and violence, and it looked like some intended target, you know, contract. You see me I say contract thing go down. You see me set up, yeah man. So we'll get into it and I don't know. But before that, I don't know what I look for freestyle. Yeah. From now on, me I keep myself to myself, me no want no friend. Me mother did want me about them. Me mother did want me. No for them a friend killer. They be killer for your Nike, Reebok and filler. No for them a friend killer. Let me bust out your head, cover with a pillar. No for them a friend killer. Them dog they can't tame, them in your dinner. No for them a friend killer. Them a loser, me a born winner. Yeah man, don't know what to trust, you know. Man to man. Papa, don't tell you, you know. Serious times. Yes man, you know that was a single I recorded. Vice we a producer out there, you know. My mother did want me. You see me I say? Yeah man. Yeah man, so World Great flew down to Jamaica for host his event. Yesterday was his event, the 29th, at Sabina Park. So you know it's a big venue, big event. But he got unalive 2 days before. I say January, it's sad, shocking, you know, distasteful, disgraceful. Because we look at Ireland, Jamaica is inoculated with crime and violence and friend a kill, friend a dirt, friend, you see me? Contract killing a go on and, you know, violence against women and them things. The only woman got unalive as well, and I say Jaja Star, over 1,500 the death toll. As me saying, I want to song them. The crime rate is out of control. Every year a new record set for the death toll. Jamaicans up abroad faith for go back down a yard, no one no safe, not even the pussy the dog. What really a go on on the island? No rain no fall, I just be a blood a shed. Yeah man, big up myself, Jadona Records. That song is also available out there. Just shot the video recently, and you know, boy, me I tell you. So we see the video, it was caught on camera, gone viral again, and people are saying, speculating and saying a setup going somebody close to him, you know, because it's like somebody can purchase the act, purchase an act for him, because he have him merch as well, you see me? Yeah, he have him clothing line and himself clothes and hat. So like somebody said them want a hat for buy, and the person come meet him in the gated community. You see me? the brother do him for do and get the dirt, you see me? I say John Ross star. Shocking, sad. But that's why I say my sincere condolence to the families them again once more, and this is just a sign for sure. Say you can't trust people, you don't know who to trust. It cannot come off many angles, you know, it cannot come from bad mind. Maybe he has done something in the past and it catch up on him. You never know. You never know. You have to think of many ways, you know. Maybe, you know, as we say, bad mind, I can friend set it up, family set it up, because you can't trust nobody, friends, not families in these times. You see all the country around, all the world around. And again, when I say it is not just Jamaica. Same thing going on in England, America, but, you know, you know, man, they have some beef for foreign and don't wait till you go down. When you reach down here, them put a money on your head and they use them out there right now. Like you're small, the money is them, you take it and come clap your way. You see me? You got the money they can go buy your next one piece of arms, you know? Or some shot or one bike or something. While you gone, you see me? So, boy, may I tell you that scary, man, scary. Scary, shocking and sad, you know? And me as a man Jamaican, I feel a waste because I tell you, say, my friend them from different countries. I say, yo, your country vile. You know, when one of my co-workers say he want to go visit Jamaica for first, but I'm afraid. I tell him, say, good man, you're good man, you're nobody, you're nothing, so you're good, you know? But I say, boy, people are telling him, say, I'm not for go and them thing there, you see me? But they can't even to blame him. You see me, I say? Yeah, man, so. It's just sad how him lose his life, so I don't know him still, but, you know, I'm here the man of peace and we don't like crime and violence, and we just wish the youth them could have think twice before they make that choice there, you know. Sorry. Taking a life is not right, because when your time comes for your life taken, we know say you don't want on the life to be taken. Everybody want to live forever, but people want to take people's life, you know. So condolence again to the families and the kids them, if he has any. I'm not sure, I don't know him, but you know, as I say, the crime rate is out of control now. The government them not do nothing. Police them not doing nothing. Well, the police them a try, but the government them, you have to blame the government. You know, because of them, if you set the hardest and the police them follow, the law enforcement follow, you know. Ah boy, you see me, so anybody who go to Jamaica right now, just be careful and be safe, and again, be careful who you're hanging around, what you're saying around people, you know what I mean, and if you do people things, remember there's a karma, you know, what goes around comes around, you see me? You're playing a fire, you must get burned, is it? Yeah man, those are my little attributes of living a good life, and sometimes you cannot live a good life and people just bad mind and come out of your life for no reason at all, just bad mind, you see me? Some people don't like to see progress and propel to a higher life, better life, and all the way forward from sufferation days, but I just mankind, you see me? Yeah, just mankind style, but as when Naya did say, rest in peace Naya, if you come for dirt me, please just make me know where you dirt me for, because me and nobody know nothing, I'm good, me everybody good, I love me say peace and unity, and you see me? We don't stem violence, we don't escalate feud and them things, you see me? So anybody that think for do me nothing, just please make me know first before I know about my life. That's all. Blessed.